Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view contacts stored in Google account on Realme C67 device. Well, whether you are using a computer, Android device or even an iPhone, accessing your contacts stored in your Google account is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly view and edit and manage your contact information from anywhere. Okay, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. And then you can select Google option. Well, after that you can select manage your Google account. Okay, and then in this section, slide please to people and sharing option here. Okay, after that you can select contact option. Well, and then here will be shown all of contacts stored on your Google account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view contacts stored in Google account on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.